Hi everyone, my name is Riya Goel and I'm currently pursuing PGPM program from IBS Business School, Gurgaon. I'm excited to share about my SIP experience at Trimax Foods Pvt Limited. During my internship, I was able to gain hands-on experience about social media marketing and influencer marketing. I also gained proficiency in leveraging social media platforms and collaborating with influencers to achieve marketing objectives. I was also exposed that how customer relation management can be utilized to know customer behavior and marketing practices. My internship provided me with valuable experience of how to put my theoretical marketing knowledge into real-life scenarios. Talking about the team at Trimax Foods Pvt Limited, they've always been welcoming and supportive throughout my SIP journey. At last, I would like to say that my SIP journey was full of learnings and it helped me to gain a lot of practical knowledge as well. It brought me up to a level which could help me get better placements in future. Thank you.